So I tried Laurasia Andrea's hair tutorial on how to dye your hair, your already blonde hair, dye it the perfect blonde for dark skin tones, and my hair turned out red. You know what, I need to go to her video and scroll through her comments and see if anybody had this problem. Let me explain. So my hair didn't necessarily turn out red from using her tutorial. It's just that her tutorial didn't work. Like, it was so weird. I bought the same product she bought, the same hair dye. My hair was 613, like same shampoo. Well, not really, kind of. So I don't know if I mentioned this before, but when I went to go get the blonde shampoo, I accidentally got the conditioner. Same brand. I bought the Color Blonde conditioner. I bought the same dyes. I even bought an extra dye. I tried I tried to dye the hair more than once, but it did nothing to the hair. It didn't even turn it the slightest bit of a different color. Like, it was still the same color, and I don't understand why if we use the same products. 1 hour later, this looks nothing like what she did. And in her video, it looks like she used one of each box, so I'm a bit confused, but we're just gonna finish it and see how it turns out. So, you know, I ordered the hair dyes again, and I tried again, and I got the same results. And for a while, I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's the hair. Maybe it's the hair. Maybe the hair is just not taking it, because there's no reason why she has the same dyes and I have the same dyes and this isn't working. There's no reason. The dye for the lace, for the edges or the roots or whatever, that worked pretty well. That didn't stink. So this is what my roots are looking like. They look great as hell. You can hardly tell over here, but they're so great. Now let me tell you why. Because this is what she used, but I could only find this. Could not find the other color, which was 7B, I think. So I decided to mix it with this Adore that I had. So I decided to put like a drop of this in there, and I did not use the whole tube. And then I did use the 40 developer, but it didn't work. So I mean, but I'm kind of okay with this. When I get the purple shampoo, which I'm gonna have to order off of Target right now. Again, gotta make another order. Maybe it'll give this more of a, you know, I don't know, but this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna add the conditioner and see if it makes a difference. If not, I'm gonna have to come back to you in a few more days. But the Dark and Lovely that was sponsoring her video, those hair dyes did nothing. So this is how it's looking. I don't know. So I'm wondering, did I mess up? Can't be, because I did the same thing twice. I did the same situation twice using the same hair dyes, and they did nothing. And I'm reading the back of the hair dyes, and it's showing that you're supposed to put these blonde colors on darker colors. I had the clip, I'll show you guys. You're supposed to put it on darker colors, and I don't know if it has like a bleaching agent in there with the hair dye, but you're supposed to put it on a darker color, and it's supposed to lift the hair and turn it that blondish color you're going for. So she used these two boxes, these two brands and everything, and on it is showing that you need to put it on darker hair for the color to work. So I don't know how hers worked, but let me show you what it did to my roots. So y'all know I had darkened the roots. It just lightened it right back up. Like, honestly, this is still kind of there, but this was a fail, and we just about to I'm about to do something else. So the hair dye, it tells you you're supposed to use it on darker hair, but she uses it on blonde. And hey, if she used it and it worked for her, why wouldn't it work for me? So she also mentioned she used a agent, like a coloring agent or whatever the case may be. I see her put it in there, but then I also remember her saying that she didn't use it. She ended up taking it out because it looked too yellow. So Can somebody please explain to me what I did wrong? Because it came to the point where I'm getting frustrated. I'm wasting money on Dark and Lovely. That is not working for me. And I'm doing the same thing she's doing. She even left the hair dye in for 30 minutes. I left mine in for 3 hours. So this is literally almost 3 hours later. It still looks dripping. So honestly, I'm about to do something else. And the color did not budge at all. Not the first time and not the second time. So in total, I bought 5 boxes of dyes of blonde. And you mean to tell me not one of those boxes dyed the hair? Like, this hair is supposed to be giving me blonde, honey blonde vibes. Like, I was supposed to be blonde, but somehow I'm red. So let me explain to you guys what happened and why the hair is red. So the hair was red because the hair needed to be colored. The hair was too light for me and I felt like it was not going to look good on my skin tone. So I just put a whole bunch of different, I had reds, oranges, it was like 7 different hair dyes, and I just put them all in the sink with some hot water, and I did the dip it method, the water method, and this is the color that we got. Even the roots are a little darker, which I'm not complaining. I like it. You probably can't tell, but sometimes it look red, sometimes it look like a dark orange. It is what it is. But the fact of the matter is, I'm so confused as to why the hair dyes that I bought, and it's the exact same hair dyes, it's just that one of them, the fade resistance line or whatever, they changed the packaging. Her video was a year ago. They changed the packaging. It's the same thing. And even if it wasn't, you mean to tell me that out of all the hair dyes I bought, not one of them budged? And this is all from Dark and Lovely. Dark and Lovely, if you're watching this, I need answers. And I think I already got my answer. You're supposed to use it on dark hair, but it doesn't make sense, because why did it work for her but it didn't work for me? I need answers. That's what I need to know. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? That's the whole point of a tutorial, to teach. And I did everything. I bought the same hair dyes. I did it and it did not work, and I need answers. So I'm not leaving from here until I get some answers. And that's just that. Because I didn't want red hair, although it looks good. Hello, Ariel. It looks good, but this is not the look I was going for at all. At all. So I need a hair expert that's watching this to comment down below and let me know, is it the hair? It can't be the hair because it took this color. Is it Dark and Lovely? You know what? I need to go to her video and scroll through her comments and see if anybody had this problem. Let me go to recent comments. Newest first. Okay. Everybody just has questions, but let's see. And then she only used 2 boxes of hair dye. Now this wig that I have, this is all the hair in the front. This is all the hair. It's pretty thin. I wouldn't say it's thick. It's just, I just feel like she had more hair on hers. That's just me. It probably looked like a lot because it's red, but trust me, the wig, like, it's very flat. The tracks are not thick at all or like full. They're very thin. She used 2 boxes. When I was dyeing my hair, the 2 boxes did nothing, which is why the second time I bought a 3rd one, and the way I applied it, I wasn't, what's the word? I knew, like, I did a different technique to see if I can stretch my product. Sis, how you use only 2 boxes of hair dye? Because that couldn't even do this wig. So yeah, somebody commented that video was confusing AF. People talking about they didn't get their orders. I don't think this has anything to do with her. By the way, this is a disclaimer, I'm not bashing her. Me as a subscriber, me as a viewer, me as a consumer, someone who put my money into things and want results, I didn't get the results that you got or she got or whoever. I want answers. I want to know why, because I really want that color is everything, and I want to achieve it, and I don't want to keep buying product and not getting the results. It should have worked the first time. Even if it did not give me the same exact color, something should have happened. Nothing happened at all. Great, I just got a comment. I'm gonna screenshot it. Someone posted this comment 11 months ago. So the person said, guys, do not follow this tutorial. You will not achieve the same color. Please listen. I wasted hella money. I said Wella. You know why? Because I'm thinking about the Wella hair dye. I wasted hella money doing this, and I did not, the intensifying serum. Wait, what? And then somebody said, did you follow to the T by using the 7NN and 7B mixture in the developer? What does that have to do with anything if that's what she said she used to tint the lace and give natural roots? What does that have to do with dyeing the hair? So sis, what are you talking about? But that's one comment. I'm gonna scroll a little more and see if I got something else, because that's just one person. But yeah, so someone else said, girl, I did this exact same thing and I have an event tomorrow. Did you take that brown color for the roots through the bundles too? Like add that, like to add that dimensions? The person is basically saying the color that she used on the roots, did she put it throughout the hair too? Because clearly this person didn't get the same color either. Okay, somebody else. Okay, so I just tried this and the hair wouldn't turn this color. Was the hair dry when you did this? Because it looks kind of wet. So somebody else wrote, girl, it took me forever to find the bright blonde color, but I had to because it's bomb as F on you. The perfect blonde for real, which was my same thoughts. So somebody said, did you find it? She said, yeah, I found it at Target. I tried Sally's and Walmart, blah, blah, blah. So she gave an update and she said, update, I did not get this color at all. I even did it without the color intensifying thing. So it's safe to say that I am not the only one that had this problem, and I just looked through the comments and other people have the same problem. So I need to know what's going on. I need an update video, because you can't drop a bomb tutorial like this giving the perfect shade of blonde for us dark skins. And I mean, obviously there's other colors on YouTube, but you know when you see something and you want it and you're like, yes, and you try and you don't succeed, and then you try again. Like Aaliyah said, dust your shoulders off and try again. That's what I did, and nothing. I need answers, and I need to be refunded for my 5 damn Dark and Lovely hair dyes that did not work for me. So for me now, I have like a little dilemma, because it's like, on one part, her tutorial is telling you do it this way, use these products and you'll get this look. But the Dark and Lovely on the box, it's actually promoting that you use that on dark hair. Excuse my son, he's aggravated too. So I'm a little conflicted by, but then I need answers, and so do these people. We need answers, period. So I'm gonna end this video with, I need answers, period. Because I'm trying to slay like her too. That color is bomb. So yeah, hopefully I could come back with an update video. Hopefully I could come back with a blonde wig, because sis, that color is too bomb for me not to try it. And that's just that. So help us out. Let us know what you did, because we know you did something that you didn't put on camera. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you guys feel about this video, and let me know what else you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.